Graystown Castle overlooks the lush fields of County Tipperary in Ireland. And this is a reminder of how power in Ireland was not only fought for, but reassigned. Built in the late medieval period, this tower house was held for centuries by the Laffan family, and they were local landowners under the influence of the powerful Butler earls. Graystown was not just their home, rather it was a center of an estate, a symbol of authority over the surrounding lands. That authority abruptly ended in the 1650s during the Cromwellian conquest of Ireland. Following the Parliament's victory, land ownership was redistributed through confiscation. The Laffans were removed and relocated west, and Graystown was granted to new owners that were loyal to the Commonwealth. The castle was never rebuilt or modernized. Its purpose vanished the moment power had changed hands. Unlike many of the castles in the conflict, Graystown did not fall in battle. Rather, it was erased by policy, left behind as the Cromwellian Wars reshaped Ireland's landscape and its history.